Okay, this is a little tech support video for the pulpit lifts for the LDS church. If you're a mechanic working on pulpit lifts, you should have a couple things for testing. Okay, number one, if you open the door in front of the relays, you can use these little levers, these little orange levers right here, right there. You can lift up on the lever and it'll make the lift go. You lift up on this lever, makes the lift go. That's a way to test the lift without using the bishop's control panel. The other way to test the lift is to use a paper clip and jump from the wire in the front to the wire in the back, and that will make the lift go down. You can unscrew the wires and touch the wires together. That will make the lift go down. You can do it over here. This is for the up. The two colors over here are for the up. Different lifts are going to have different colored wires, but it's all the same thing. You go from the one terminal wire to the other terminal with a paper clip, and that will make the lift go up and down. That tests the lift. This makes the mechanical part of the relay test. Now you need a 24-volt source to test over here where the bishop's control panel works. Now I've purchased a bishop's control panel, and I've mounted it in a plastic box, and I've put a power supply in it, 24-volt power supply, and I've hooked it up to the back of the bishop's control panel. You see the flashing red LED light? That's the heartbeat light. That tells it it's working. These are the two relays that run the pulpit lift right here. This is the connection to the pulpit lift. It unplugs, and you can read on the circuit board what the function of each wire is. All right. You can buy these parts at most electrical supply places, DigiKey, online, anything like that. And you can put this box together pretty easily. Yeah, as I say that. Okay. And now you have this box, which is plugged in to a power source that you can test the relays and eliminate the bishop's control panel is the problem. When you push your button, a light comes on the appropriate relay. Okay, so that's one way. I'll show you another way in just a second. Okay, notice when the bishop's control panel is wired up, we have one wire that goes to the up. We have a jumper wire, the black wire, which connects the two commons together. Okay, and then one wire for down. Normally you use red for down, white for up, and whatever other color, black or green, for the common wire. Do not use the drain wire in a 2-conductor shielded wire as a current carrying wire. Now this is another option for testing, a little bit smaller than having a bishop's control panel and a lot cheaper. So this guy is just an outlet, standard transformer. Takes 120 volts in, puts 24 volts DC out. And then these are just multimeter leads, which I've crimped ends on to connect to the screw terminals of this transformer. So once I plug this in, I've got 24 volt DC at the end of these probes. So if I want to run this, I get my dominant hand doing the job. I put the black on the common and the red, and it runs the relay. Okay, now I know that the whole system works. And if I have any problems running the lift, it is the Bishop's control panel. Okay? So that's a short video on how to test and what you should have in your truck to help test. Okay.